Hi everyone, and welcome to week 12 of Writing 111. So we are 12 of 16 weeks now, which means we're 75% of the way through the semester, and it goes fast from here. So make sure you're staying up to speed and don't get too distracted by the beautiful weather outside. So this week you're going to be directing your own reading. Later on in the week, on the 9th, you're going to submit a statement of the problem, and to complete that assignment, you need to identify at least one local source of information and one scholarly source of information. So a local source of information could be an interview with somebody who works in the area that you're researching. It could be information from a community organization that deals with the issue. You could be really creative in what you consider a local source of information, and I'm happy to talk to you about ideas. For your scholarly source of information, I really strongly suggest that you talk with a librarian about it. Remember in our presentation last week with Anna at the library, she talked about how you can chat with a librarian, you could call, you could email, you could go in and talk to someone. Those are all really great ways to get going on your reading. So just like in our other assignments, you're going to complete a small group workshop this week. So you'll see the assignment is here, and then you should be able to find a corresponding paper that corresponds with your group. So that you'll also submit by the 9th a statement of the problem. This is a really important step in focusing your research, and I hope you'll take time to carefully consider what it is that you want to address. When you really think about what that problem is, it's going to center you in your research going forward and make it stronger. So I'm looking forward to talking about all these issues more in class on Tuesday. See you there.